Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's video is Gits Dosa mix review and recipe. So let's get started. So this one is a 200-gram pack, MRP is 80 rupees and the shelf life is 1 year. And this is an instant dosa mix. So you don't need anything else except water, not even salt, curd, everything is already in there. So empty entire content of the dosa mix in a big pan. And now we need water, typically 320 ml. Gradually add water and start whisking it to make a smooth batter with a pouring consistency. The batter should not be thin and it will be like similar to pancake batter. Now there are no lumps and the batter is ready. Let it rest for 5 minutes. And this batter does not require fermentation, so you can immediately use it after 5 minutes. Now heat a non-stick dosa tawa on medium heat and I'm showing you the batter consistency, pourable. Now pour a ladle full of batter onto the center of the hot tawa. Using the back of the ladle, spread the batter in a circular motion to form a thin round dosa. Now add a few drops of ghee around the edges and cook it on medium heat for about 1 to 2 minutes. You see this golden brown color. Now start by lifting up from the edges and then fold the dosa in half. Remove it from the pan. Repeat the process for the remaining batter. Pack says that it make 8 dosas, but my size dosa I could make only 5 out of it. If your dosa stick to the pan might not be hot enough. Ensure it's heated properly before pouring the batter. And coming to the taste. Taste is authentic South Indian dosa taste. That sourness and the crispy, everything is in there. So I found it easy and convenient to prepare, then empty our dosa mix. And no complaint, but there is only one point, that this contain hydrogenated vegetable oil, which is a palm oil and sesame oil that contain trans fat. So these are not ideal for regular daily consumption. For occasional use once in a while, it's perfect. Give it a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.